Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be building another wooden robot for my little baby girl, and I'm going to make one similar to the robot that I made a couple of weeks ago in my video. If you did not see that, go check it out. But this one's going to be a little bit different, so I'm going to draw up some plans and show you what I've got planned. Alright, so I'm going to start by drawing up some plans to go off of when I'm building this toy. Alright, so here are the finished plans. This is the whale, what it will look like. Down here you can see a diagram of how I'm going to be attaching this together with a rope. At the top, I'll let a little bit of rope hang out and fray it a little bit so it looks like a water spout on a whale. Right here I have the measurements for each of the cubes. And after I cut out those cubes, I'll use my scroll saw to cut out the shape of the whale. Alright, so this piece of wood that I'm using has several bad spots on it, so I'm going to trim it down to clean up some of that and take any of this paint off, and then I'll try to, as best I can, to just cut around those bad spots in order to get the good cubes for making this whale. Alright, so now I'm going to use my scroll saw to cut off this excess wood and shape the whale. Alright, so now I have the rough outline of the whale cut out. I'm going to take it over to my sander and smooth down all the sharp edges and make it safer for my logo. Alright, so everything's sanded down from the belt sander. However, it could not reach everything on the tailpiece, so I'm actually going to take my Dremel tool and use that to get all the tight spaces on this tail. Now that each of these pieces are sanded down and all smooth, I need to drill the holes through these blocks of wood and thread the rope through in order to attach them all together. In order to hold this rope onto the tailpiece, I'm going to put some wood glue in the hole and then hammer in a dowel to pinch the wood into place and keep it from sliding out. After hammering the dowel on the head to hold the rope in place, I'm going to cut the rope off and start fraying the rope so that it looks more like a water spout coming out the top of the whale. Now, a trick that I found works really well is you take a saw blade and use that sort of as a comb to unravel the rope and help it fray quicker. Now, another trick I'm going to use to fill these holes, I'm mixing some wood glue with the sawdust from cutting this wood all together and making sort of a wood putty with it, and I'll use that to fill in any of the holes that are still on this wood that I could not cut or get rid of. So I'm going to be actually spreading this on with the tip of my nail or the back side of my nail, and this helps the wood glue and the sawdust not to stick to your finger and actually leaves a better smooth finish that you can push the sawdust into the hole a little bit easier. Now, this is a little bit easier to do before you attach it all together with a rope, but I thought I'd do that first to see how it was going to look, and then drill out the eyes after and cut the mouth line, but I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, now I'm going to take my Dremel and sand off those patches that I put my homemade wood putty in, and clean that up and get it ready for the finish to go on. Now I'm going to be putting a coat of boiled linseed oil on this. This helps seal the wood and protect it from moisture. It also is food safe and baby safe, so that's good as well. Just like most of my projects, my last step will be adding my mark to this whale. So I'm going to heat this up really quick and burn my mark to the bottom of the whale to show who made this. Alright guys, that finishes up the whale. Now all that needs to be done is to baby test it and see what she thinks. Alright, it seems like this is a pretty big success. She absolutely loves it. So I'd say it's a job well done, and if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below. Also, you can leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply to you as soon as I can. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that already. It's really helpful so that you guys don't miss a video that I post each week. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.